it's Landon. Welcome back to Landon's Fun World. As you can see, the shark has been released, and my dad got the Swat Boat.
Woohoo! Swat Boat.
And for some reason, my character has been acting weird. Wait, can I drive?
You want to drive?
Yeah.
You drive.
Ah!
I'll shoot him. You drive.
Let's see how fast this sucker is.
Let's go.
It's not letting me drive.
Oh, is it not?
Hello?
It's turning. Let's go.
Oh, you should drive. It's not letting me drive.
Okay, I'll drive.
Can you drive?
Yep. Let's go, guys.
Woohoo! Here's a good angle of
Oh,
the
this thing's
Swat
fast.
Boat. Oh my gosh! Whoa, this baby is hot. Oh my gosh, it's so fat. Dad, don't go in a circle. It's bad angle for our fans.
Oh, there's the shark.
There's the Sharky.
Should I show you?
Sharky! Sharky! Come here, Sharky!
Uh-oh. Oh, no!
Sharky! Sharky,
No!
what are you doing? Sharky, don't eat me!
Ah!
I didn't die.
I died.
Oh my gosh, the shark's trying to get me. For some reason, guys, my character has been oh, the shark just ate me. Lundy cutie died. Here. Okay, guys, well, when me and my dad are in the intermission, me and my dad like to play hide and seek. So, you count and I hide, okay, Dad?
Okay, I'm gonna go outside and you've got to hide in here.
Okay.
So, where's the outdoors? It's over here.
It's over there.
Okay, I'm not looking. You can hide.
Okay.
10,
Wait, that's not
9,
enough time. I need more time.
8,
Oh, no.
7,
Ah!
6,
Oh, this is such a good
5,
spot. Don't look at my
4,
screen.
3, 2,
Oh, yeah,
1.
this is
Here I
great.
come.
It's where I hid last time.
Where is London?
Sorry if this is not a good angle for you guys. I'll zoom in my screen. Oh, I just fell.
Ah!
I just fell. You have to catch.
Found you.
You have to catch me. Ah!
Wait, why is my screen going all white? There you go.
Ah.
Beep, you're in. Okay, now you gotta go outside and I'm gonna hide.
Okay. I hope you guys don't mind that my screen is like zoomed in. Actually, I'm gonna zoom out. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Okay, I hid. Come find me.
Okay. How did you hide so fast? Oh, there you are.
I tried to walk behind
Find
you.
you.
That didn't work. Okay, you go
Go.
hide.
No, you go count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Wait,
5,
no.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here I come.
I hope I don't miss the jump. Oh my gosh, I didn't miss the jump.
Did you go upstairs?
No.
Yes, you did. You went upstairs.
And you have to catch me.
You have to stay inside. Oh, shark has killed everyone.
Have you found me yet?
No. Oh, you're outside. You cheated.
No, I went up there, and then when I heard you said you were going up,
Oh,
so
okay.
then I jumped down.
Okay.
Okay, the next round is starting. Oh, this is a cute little doggy with a Santa hat on. It's so cute. And fluffy, 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 fluffy. A loot chest of shark teeth will be dropped. Rates other players to be the first to open the chest. I'm gonna get my submarine.
Look, London, show them the SharkBite 2 is coming. Show
Oh
them
yeah, so there's
Oh! I'm the shark.
Oh no. So guys, there's a new SharkBite that's coming up soon, and we're gonna do a video on it. So stay tuned for our next video.
Whoop, whoop.
Whoop whoop.
Alright, I'm gonna come hunt you guys. I'm on the hunt. I'm on the hunt.
I'm on the hunt. On the hunt. Your name tag is red. That's how I know you're the shark. I got my submarine. There we go. I'm gonna hold W. Okay, click W to go down, then E to go there. Oh my gosh, can you not kill me? Because I want to show them how I use my submarine. If you see a submarine, oh no. Why is my button not working today? Do I have to go up or something? My submarine is acting so weird. Look, it's not letting me. It's only going backwards. Okay. Sorry guys, we're gonna have to drive backwards today. It's so weird. If you see me, then don't get me. Oh my gosh, this is so awkward. It's not letting me go forward. It's only letting me go backwards. So I can't see where I'm going. Oh my gosh. Can I go forward? Please. Guys, I'm doing a video. Please. Help. Yes. Yes. Yay. Let's go. Let's go. Finally. I got rid of that island. It's so hard. Sorry guys if this is bad viewing for you all. Dad, don't get me. That's me. Phew. Thank you. Thanks for not getting me.
You're lucky.
I want to kill you.
You do?
Yeah. Don't kill me.
Is that you?
I'm in a submarine.
Well, let's see. This better not be you. I'm coming for you.
No, that's me! Dad, don't get me!
Oh!
Daddy!
Sorry.
I'll spectate you.
Sorry.
Your tail looks so weird.
Does
Like,
it?
look, it's your body's splitting apart. Oh my gosh. The chest is dropped. Dad, go near the chest because everyone's going to go near the chest and then you can eat them when they try to go near the chest. Find the chest. Dad, the chest is over there. You see it?
Yep.
Go toward the chest. Everyone's going to go towards the chest. Everyone's going to want to go towards the chest. So, the shark should be near the chest. Oh, you just ate somebody. Good for you. Clap, clap, clap. I'm going to go to the store and see if I can buy something, guys. Okay, and my dad, he bought this boat. I'm going to show you. Wait, where is it? Which boat did you buy again? The Swat Boat? So my dad got this boat, the Swat Boat, $8.50. I'm not gonna get it because my dad got it. I want to save up for this one, but I have the candy boat. I'll show you guys all the boats I have. I have the banana boat. I have the hovercraft. I have this one. I have this one, but in blue. I have this one, 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 and I'm saving up for this one. Okay, now let's see what my dad's doing. Come on, Dad, eat everybody. Dad, there's only 18 seconds left. 18, 15, 14. 13, 12. Wait, let me see how many people are left. Dad, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 survivors.
Really?
Yeah, go get them.
Nah, I'm not gonna get everyone.
Oh my gosh, that was a big jump.
What's it?
Dad, there's someone in like a really easy boat. The shark has
got a
been
few people.
killed.
There's a lot of survivors. I didn't do very good.
Yeah, you did terrible.
Sorry.
And guys, there's a new SharkBite update, and we're gonna do
4
a
days.
video about in 4 days, guys. Yeah, 4 days. Oh my gosh, why is my screen so weird? There, okay, there. SharkBite. Wait, release. I don't know what it says. Oh, how's someone up at the
I wonder
top?
if you're gonna be the shark this time.
never get to be the shark. Oh, let's go.
Okay, I'm inviting you.
Okay. Woohoo! No, can we do a banana boat?
No, I gotta try them on you.
Okay.
What? I'm inviting other
Swat
people.
Boat!
I'm inviting other people too, so it could be a
Oh.
crew.
Invite in everybody.
Okay.
Did you invite everybody?
Yeah. I invited lots of people.
Oh, someone joined.
Did they?
Oh, yeah, only one person joined. I'm gonna shoot. Oh my
Oh.
gosh. Are you okay? I think, oh, this guy has a pumpkin launcher. I'll drive. Oh, ah.
Oh,
no.
You're the good driver.
I fell into the water.
Alright, let's shoot this shark.
Hey, get out! Dad, can you kick them out of the
No,
seat?
you just let him drive, whatever, who cares.
Okay. But if he's bad driver, okay. He wants me to do it.
Oh.
Okay, there. Let's go. Why isn't it letting me use my key? Oh my gosh. Okay, you just drive.
Okay.
How come my key's not working today? Sad
Let's go, guys.
Woohoo! Let's go. I'm gonna.
I see the shark. He's straight
Is he?
ahead.
Really? Where is he?
Oh, I saw him.
Pew pew. Wherever I click on my computer,
We gotta survive, guys.
Reloader? Where's my reload? Pew 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 pew. Reload. I don't want to shoot the shark actually. Let's try to kill him. Be the ones that actually kill the shark. Oh my gosh.
You're gonna shoot a lot of bullets.
That wasn't me, that was him. That was just this other person. Dad, do you know what you're doing?
No, not really.
Oh, this guy's on a sailboat. Want to go help him? Ah. Oh my gosh. Dad?
Uh-oh.
Let's go! Go! Back
There's
it
a
up,
shark
back
right
it up.
ahead. Shoot him.
Where is he? I don't see him. Is he over there?
He just ate that ship.
Did. Let's go. Go towards the shark.
Oh no.
What?
Oh,
Oh no!
Shoot him, guys!
Don't! Reload! Ah! I just got shot into the air. Oh my gosh. Did you die?
I'm still alive.
I'm still alive too. Wait, I gotta get my duck floaty. My duck floaty. Oh, that guy is still alive too. My duck floaty, my only life. My duck
Oh, I
floaty.
shot him twice and then he ate me.
Where is he? Oh, he's right there. Oh my gosh, let me get my gun out. He's not a good shark. Oh, he just killed me. I think I shot him maybe once. I tried to shoot him anyways. Someone's name is Corn.
Really?
Yeah. Well, guys, I think that's a good spot to end for today. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just to let you know, there's a new shark update in 4 days. I hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful rest of your day. If it's your birthday or a special day, anything, then have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.